Hello, welcome back. Today we're doing another video on the Discovery 2, but this time we're inside the truck. One of the things that really annoys me when driving the truck is I can't see how much fuel I've got or not got, and that's because one of the dash lights is out. Let me show you. So I can see my temperature gauge, I can see my speedo, see my rev counter, but on the right hand side here there is actually a fuel gauge, but you can't see it. So what I'm going to do is take the dash out and replace the bulbs with blue LED ones to match my others. I'll put a video link up here to show you how I replace these. The first thing you need to do is to remove the steering wheel surround. This is split into two parts. The upper part you can just pull up, which is this part here. Okay, you can see it just has clips on either side. Okay, the bottom part has 3 Phillips screws, 1 at the 2 and 3. Just unscrew them from below and then this will just pull off. It's probably best to put the steering wheel as low as you can get it if you have an adjustable steering wheel. There's 2 screws here and here which you need to undo. There's not a lot of room, so you might want a stubby screwdriver. So now the dash is loose. So now what we need to do is take off these, pull these switches out. And just undo the plugs. Make a note of which plug is which. Oh, I've got one here as well. I don't know what that one's for. Actually, you might be... you could probably just get away with leaving it up there. As I just demonstrated, you don't have to take all the switches out. You can leave the right hand side ones in. The actual dash pod is held in by 2 Phillips screws either side, so just undo those. The dash now lifts away and you can undo the connectors. There's 2 on the top. It's out. Now to go to the bench. Right. This is the rear of the dashboard. Now, as you can see, there's 5 bulbs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now these 2 here are for the warning information. Now we're not going to change those because obviously you want them to be bright so you can see them. So the 3 that we're going to change are these brown ones here. And you simply turn them and this is the standard bulb. And all you do is take the bulb out, the holder, and you'll see it's a 501. Put the LED bulb in like that. There you go. Now, as with all LEDs, they only work in one direction. So we're going to try, first of all, before we put it all back together, I'm just going to put them in and then see if they work. So those 2 I know work. So those. And this is the one that doesn't work. See in the other bin. That's it, simple as that. So as I said, we're just going to plug it back in the car, turn the lights on, check they all work. If they don't, then just turn the bulb holder 180 degrees. But I've just plugged the connector back in, so let's see which ones work and which don't. I think hard to see, but this one works. That one doesn't seem to be working, and the right hand one does. Right, I've just turned that one round, so let's have a look. There you go, they're all working now. You can see that on the camera. Yeah, you can. If you look at the needles, you can see they're blue. Right, so I was going to give it a clean, put it back together, and then I'll show you what it's like in the dark. So, I just put the 4 screws back, which hold the dashboard into the dash. So, that's all very simple, so I shall time-lapse this. In. Okay. So don't forget your loom. So I'm going to fit the switches back in. You don't really need to take them out in the end, but so be it. Right, so I think I've dropped the cable. Where's my loom? Right, I found my loom. So this one plugs into my light bar, which I did the other day. We have 3 left, so one of these is a Duff one. I'm not quite sure what that's for. Goes into that one there, and then the 2 fog lights. And the blue one is the bottom one. Yep. Green one's the top one. Okay. So check all your connections are in, and then you'll see there's 2 tabs at the back. See those 2 tabs? So the dash sits in those 2 tabs. Like that. Cables down. There you go. We're on there. And then just put those 2 black screws back in. Find them. There you go. You can go. Now I need to refit this. So there's a little cutout for the ignition switch, which don't forget to put that in. So it's like that. Take a little panel down. And then you can fit it in. Now we're in. Oh, let me know. Right, the bottom one's in. Bit of a faff. But once you get it lined up, it does actually go in quite easy. Top one, you put in. So move the steering wheel down, and this one just puts in. Line up. That's it. Line up the pins. There, it's in. Right, I've turned all the lights out in the garage. Now we can see what the dash looks like. Woo! Banging. There you go, blue lights in a dash on a Discovery 2. Nice easy mod. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment and subscribe. There's plenty more Discovery 2 content coming. I have a list of at least 3 videos in the pipeline at the moment, just waiting to be edited. So yeah, please subscribe. Thank you very much. Goodbye.